हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करेंगे स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइज, आज हम बात करते हैं स्टॉक टिप्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट स्टॉक है हमारा EPL लिमिटेड। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, लेट्स मूव। ओके, सो गाइज, EPL शेयर प्राइस स्टॉक एनालिसिस एंड रिकॉर्ड्स SL Pro Pack। करंट मार्केट प्राइस 147.75 विथ अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹225। 225 का टारगेट है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। सेक्टर पैकेजिंग, इंडस्ट्री पैकेजिंग, मेटालिक। This is a technical chart, SL Pro Pack, EPL Limited. Insights, key metrics, returns. Okay, SL Pro Pack share insights. Intraday fact check: in the last 18 years, only 3.73% trading season saw intraday gains higher than 5%. Okay, key metrics: PE ratio 25.45, EPS TTM 5.83, market capital 4,723.83 crore. Sectoral market capital rank 2, PB ratio 2.68, dividend yield 2.90, face value 2, beta minus 0.47, VWAP 150.48 and 52-week low high 198.90 and 147.15. SL Pro Pack share price returns 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 3 years and 5 years. Okay. News. Okay, SL Pro Pack news and analysis. SL Pro Pack share analysis. Recommendation: strong buy. Okay, financials. Ratios, cash flow, balance sheets and income, profit and loss. Okay, quarterly top line performance. Company witnessed a quarter-on-quarter revenue growth of 14.22%, which is highest in the last 3 years. Source: consolidated financials. Okay, quarterly annual September 2022. Okay, total income 954.90, total income growth plus 14.22, total expenses 865.90, total expenses growth plus 12.09, EBITDA 89, EBITDA growth plus 40.16, profit after tax PAT 46.20, PAT growth plus 38.32, EBITDA margin 9.32, net profit margin 4.84, basic EPS 1.53. Okay, forecast. Technicals. Okay, price analysis. Okay, 40% positive movement since 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. 59% negative moment 1st Jan 2005 on intraday basis. Pivot levels ATR classic R1, R2, R3, S1, S2, S3. Pivot 152.53. Average true range 5 days, 14 days and 28 days. Peer comparison. Okay, technical chart. SL Propack, Polyplex Corporation, Oflex and Zindal Polyfilms. Ratios performs. Okay. Stock returns versus Nifty Midcap 100. Stock gave a 3-year return of -9.65% as compared to Nifty Midcap 100, which gave a return of 75.09% as of last trading season. Okay. Shareholding pattern. Total shareholdings. Quarter on quarter change. Category 31st December 2022. Okay. Category promoters 51.53, pledge 0.00, FII 12.13, DII 15.92, mutual funds 10.33, others 20.42. Okay, mutual fund ownership. First, Mire Asset Large Cap Direct Growth Equity Large Cap rating 3 star. Amount invested 194.91 crore, 0.57% annual, 0.00 change month to month basis. Okay, then second, ICICI Prudential Multi-Cap Direct Growth Equity Multi-Cap, ICICI Prudential Multi-Cap Direct Growth, amount invested 69.87 crore, 0.99% annual, 0.00 change month to month basis. Okay, then third, ICICI Prudential Multi-Asset Direct Growth Hybrid Multi-Asset Allocation rating 4 star, amount invested 57.70 crore, 0.37% annual plus 0.09% change month to month basis. Okay. Corporate action. SL Propack dividend. Others. Okay. SL Propack EPL Ltd, incorporated in the year 1982, is a mid-cap company having a market capital of rupees 4,973.62 crore, operating in packaging sector. एक पैकेजिंग कंपनी है ये. EPL Limited key product revenue segment include laminated tubes, service charges, royalty income, scrap and export incentives for the year ending 31st March 2022. Okay, financials for the quarter ended 30 September 2022, the company has reported a consolidated total income of rupees 954.90 crore, up 14.22% from last quarter. Total income of rupees 836 crore and up 9.57% from last year same quarter. Total income of rupees 871.50 crore. Company has reported net profit after tax of rupees 48.40 crore in latest quarter. Okay. Company has Walker Chandiok and Company LLP as its auditors as on 31st December 2022. The company has a total of 31.82 crore shares outstanding. Okay. Industry, packaging and metallic plastics, others. Chairman Davinder Singh Brar, Anand Kripalu, Managing Director and Global CEO. Okay. Location Post Office Wasind, Taluka Shahapur, Thane District, Maharashtra 421604, India. Okay. Okay, so guys, EPL share price, stock analysis and records. SL Propack sector packaging, industry packaging metallic, current market price 147.95 with a target प्राइस ऑफ रुपीज़ 225. 225 का टारगेट है. एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है. कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रांग है. ओके सो गाइज, आज के लिए बस इतना ही. कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए. नमस्कार. बोलो राधे राधे.